How to log into Academy Sports Credit Card account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily log into your Academy Sports Credit Card login. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Academy Sports Credit Card Login, and you'll find this result up top, which is officially from Bread Financial. So go ahead and open your Academy credit card. Now, once you log into this page, click on I'm Human and then complete this quick CAPTCHA. If that URL did not work, then you can also try to open this official website from academy.com and open this website. Now, once you have done that, once you're on this page, all you have to do is tap on this sign up option or this person-like icon on the top right corner to sign into your account. So if you're new, you can click on Join My Academy, or if you are already a member or if you already have an account, simply click on Sign In. Here, you'll just have to provide your email address and then click on Continue. And once you have clicked on Continue, it will send you a code on your email. Then you can just open up your Gmail on a new tab and check for the code and simply apply the code here and you will be logged in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.